Maintaining your garden decor is key to lasting beauty. Use weather-resistant materials like treated wood into beautiful, metal, and durable plastics. Stay tuned for creative ideas and decor to prevent damage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and harsh weather with covers or strategic placement. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. In today's environmentally conscious world, transforming plastic waste into beautiful crafts and decor items is not just a trend but a responsible choice. Our mission is to inspire artisans, hobbyists, and entrepreneurs to repurpose discarded plastics, whether bottles, bags, or packaging, into profitable craft products. This initiative not only helps reduce plastic pollution but also opens new avenues for income generation. At Sari 11, we believe that every piece of plastic waste holds potential to become a stunning decorative element for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Through innovative techniques, eco-friendly materials, and artistic designs, we aim to showcase how waste can be turned into valuable assets. Our platform offers tutorials, ideas, and business tips on how to craft attractive products that appeal to a wide audience, from home decorators to event organizers. By embracing plastic reuse, you contribute to a cleaner environment while building a sustainable business. Join us on this journey of creative transformation, where the possibilities are endless, and waste becomes wealth. Together, we can make a positive impact on our planet, one plastic craft at a time. The first step in creating profitable plastic crafts is understanding the types of plastic waste suitable for reuse. Common household plastics like PET bottles, HDPE containers, and plastic bags are versatile materials. PET bottles, for example, are durable and can be cut, painted, or shaped into various decorative items. HDPE containers are sturdy and perfect for creating planters or storage decor. Plastic bags, often seen as waste, can be woven or braided into mats, coasters, or wall hangings. Recognizing the different properties of each plastic type helps craft makers select the right material for their projects. It's essential to clean and sanitize plastics thoroughly before reuse. Sorting waste at the source, encouraging households and communities to segregate plastics, can streamline the process and ensure high-quality craft materials. Additionally, exploring recycled plastics like polypropylene or polycarbonate can unlock more sophisticated craft options. The key is to see plastic waste not as trash but as an abundant raw material. By understanding the characteristics and potential of various plastics, artisans can innovate and create diverse products that are both functional and decorative. This knowledge forms the foundation for turning everyday waste into profitable, artistic masterpieces. Designing products with market demand in mind is crucial for turning plastic crafts into a profitable venture. Understanding customer preferences, current trends, and seasonal needs helps artisans create items that sell well. For indoor decor, trendy wall art, photo frames, and decorative lamps made from recycled plastics are popular choices. Outdoor products like garden planters, bird feeders, and decorative fences combine functionality with aesthetic appeal. Incorporating vibrant colors, modern patterns, and innovative shapes can attract a wider audience. Pricing is another vital aspect. Artisans must consider material costs, time investment, and market rates to set competitive prices that ensure profit margins. Packaging and presentation also influence sales. Eco-friendly packaging aligns with the sustainable ethos and appeals to environmentally conscious buyers. Creating a diverse product range allows for better market penetration, offering small decorative items alongside larger furniture pieces. Branding and storytelling about the eco-friendly aspect of the products can enhance customer engagement and loyalty. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media promotions broadens reach. By designing with both aesthetics and profitability in mind, artisans at Sari 11 can build sustainable, successful businesses rooted in eco-conscious principles. Promotion is key to the success of eco-friendly plastic crafts. Educating consumers about the environmental benefits of recycled products encourages responsible purchasing. Social media campaigns showcasing the transformation process from waste to art create awareness and engagement. Sharing stories behind each product, highlighting the environmental impact, builds emotional connections with customers. Collaborating with eco-conscious influencers and environmental groups amplifies reach and credibility. Offering workshops and demonstrations at community centers or online platforms educates others about recycling techniques and benefits. Participating in sustainability expos and eco-fairs positions your brand as an environmentally responsible business. Packaging printed with messages about recycling and sustainability reinforces your eco-commitment. Providing detailed product descriptions emphasizing eco-friendly materials appeals to conscious buyers. Offering discounts or incentives for returning customers or bulk orders promotes loyalty. Creating a brand story centered on reducing plastic waste and promoting circular economy principles strengthens your market position. Consistent promotion of your eco-friendly mission not only boosts sales but also encourages wider community participation in plastic recycling initiatives. While transforming plastic waste into crafts is rewarding, it presents certain challenges. Plastic materials can be difficult to cut and shape, especially for beginners. Ensuring safety during cutting and handling is paramount. Using sharp tools carefully and wearing protective gear is essential. Weathering and durability are concerns for outdoor products. Applying sealants and weatherproof coatings extends the lifespan of plastic crafts exposed to the elements. Additionally, sourcing consistent quality plastics can be tricky. Establishing reliable supply chains or community collection systems is vital. Environmental considerations include avoiding the use of toxic paints or adhesives that could harm the environment. Finding eco-friendly materials and practices minimizes negative impacts. Time management and skill development are also necessary. Crafting intricate designs may take longer but result in higher value products. Educating artisans about sustainable practices and providing training helps overcome these hurdles. Continuous experimentation and innovation lead to better techniques and products. Overcoming challenges with patience and resourcefulness ensures that plastic craft businesses are sustainable and profitable, aligning with eco-conscious goals. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.